soft life, soft wig. Okay, we're not rocking the hard wigs over here. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie RaShon. Brought to you by Ashimary Hair. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. And let me just say, your girl got edges today with no leave out. Glueless on my big old head. Get that man card. It is also simply saying your girl got her water today because it is 9 o'clock in the morning. I can't drink my sugar wine just yet, but later I worked it into them calories so I can have a little cup. You hear me? So before I show you guys how to install this Glueless 360 unit, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Like I said, this unit comes to us from Ashimary Hair. All the specs for my unit as well as the products that I'm using in today's video listed down below in my description box. So if you want to check anything out, you can. This is their 360 kinky edge, kinky curly 18-inch unit. I got it in 180% density, and this is how she is looking after the wash. Can you see it? I was a little worried out the pack, but the curls bounced back. Top that. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my tag off because I'm keeping this one. Ashimary said, you're not gonna be fooling us, okay? Don't be tucking that tag up. I am gonna take off the tape that they added to the ear tabs because y'all know I don't really care for the tape on my hairline. I got a little bit of edges and I'm trying to keep them, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and peel that right on off. Hopefully I don't take too much hair with it. See, that's why I don't use it, you know. There's 2 combs on the side of the unit as well as 1 comb in the back. No adjustable straps, but you do have the Invisi strap in the back that you can lock down with this little mechanism here. And then you also have the attached elastic band. So there's a lot of security in this wig to make it glueless. I need to tint my lace all the way around because it's a 360. I'm gonna use my Black Radiance contour palette in the shade medium to dark, and I'm gonna use a mixture of the contour and sculpt shade as you see right there in the front. Mix that up and then tap that around the edge of my lace. I don't care to go into the actual parting space of the lace because the style I'm doing today is a full up ponytail. So my focus is mainly on the hairline as far as the install is concerned. So I need that to be blended as much as possible. I may watch that movie today because it's so funny. All right, put it over. Are we going? Yes, we are. Yes, we are. That looks scary, but don't worry, we're gonna get her together real nice. All right, let me clip up this hair on top of my head. Perfect fit. I can't see. Perfect fit around the back of my head. That's me. Let me tuck that up in there. That is the wig. Tighten this down a bit. Tighten, tighten, tighten. Okay, put it behind my ear and tuck. I rarely can use these things because the cap is always too small in the back, but this fits perfectly. That down. Do y'all see how it hugged up on my nape? Wow. Now I'm gonna mold my hairline using my Nairobi Mousse. 3 pumps. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 on each side. I didn't finish my thought. Mold this hairline down so I can see how it's looking. Mold it back, push it down, push it down. I want my hairline to kind of go like this and then back. Okay, brush it back, brush it back. Get my brush, brush back what I don't need. That's too much hair right there. Push it back, way back. Bring this down over here. I think that looks pretty good. I could pull some out right here just to separate that a bit, just for a little separation. The hair comes out very easily, so make sure you're careful with your manipulation around your frontal. I'll probably have to go back in and tack that down. Right now, I'll just add a little extra mousse and then I'll wrap it. They did send me a bunch of goodies. They sent me a bonnet, they sent me a robe, they sent me this little situation right here with a bunch of stuff in it. I got the earmuff wrap. I also got extra ear tape, an extra Invisi strap. Oh, they sent me a brush, some bobby pins, some lace tape for the front area, some eyelashes. This is how you do gifts. A wig cap and a care card. This is a care card and customer service information. So Thank you, Ashimary. Now, I don't know if everybody gets that. I'm just showing you what they have. So maybe it's kind of like a onesie twosie thing. You may get this and somebody else may get that type of thing. I don't know. Like this. I can't even hear nothing. Let's see how the hair is sitting. It's 180% density. I'm gonna manipulate the hair while it's wet so I can get it up as flat as possible. Hiya, hiya. I did get some shedding with this hair when I did the co-wash, and I feel like I'm gonna get some more. So be careful with that. Add your product to kind of add some slick to the hair so you won't pull it too much, you know? Wrap this down twice. I think that'll be good. I'm gonna use my Shea Moisture Mousse to define my curls. Okay, just clump this hair together. I gotta trim some of these ends off because they're a little scraggly, so I'm just gonna cut those pieces right on off. This wig does come to 250% density. I personally would choose the 250 with this one just because I would want a little thicker ponytail. Pull it up, pull it up. And if you don't like the kinky edge hairline, it also comes in the natural pre-plucked hairline. Ponytail is dry. Now I'm just tightening or pulling it through the pony to kind of tighten it down some. They also sent me a pic, so you know, look at the material. Tease this up a bit. Make sure I go under. Make sure I get my ends as well. I don't want them to be too perfect. Keep pulling and pulling. Now obviously with me teasing and pulling this hair, it will create tangles, which does create shedding. So I gotta make sure I'm very careful when I go back into redefine these curls if I decide to wear this hair out. If I want to keep this wig as a ponytail wig, because you know that's possible, I won't have to redefine the curls anytime soon. I can kind of just rock it like this. Let's unwrap it. See what the hairline is looking like. Let me add a little mousse to the back right there. Kind of curl up those edges. Brush back what I don't need. I may tack a little bit of spray right there just to hold it in place. Brush this out so it's not so pressed looking. I want them to be very soft and wispy. So I'm gonna spray it. Oop, I didn't mean to do that much. I'm gonna tack it right there. Move this around. Keep on fluffing, and we are done. Okay, y'all, so here's the final look. What we think? I think it looks great. You see a little buckling right there? Because I tightened this down, it pulled the wig. So it created a little bit of buckling in my front. I don't care, you're back here. I think the wig as a whole is gorgeous. Like I wouldn't even take the ponytail out. I would just take this off like a helmet and then plop her back on when necessary. Strictly glueless with those Invisa straps. All right, all up in there. Again, I only sprayed it right here. So this over here, glueless, okay? Y'all saw how I did that? Look at that. Foul. Flapped it right on down. Thank you. Okay, Ashimary, what's your name? Huh? Y'all did really well on that hairline. Thank you. The only thing I could say that could potentially be, it could be problematic. I feel like most of my shedding is coming from my frontal. Now, as you can see, I could lose a little bit around the front and it wouldn't be a problem, but over time, that may be a problem. And because you have tiny knots, and I'm pretty sure it's bleached, the hairline or the frontal is already degraded. If you pull on it, you're gonna hear that ripping sound. So just be mindful of that for seller and buyer, okay? You may want to reinforce those a little bit, kind of make it a little stiffer, and that'll kind of reinforce the hair a little bit. But outside of that, I like it a lot. Now, you may not like that price point depending on, you know, what your budget is right now. But what you can do is do a pay in 4 because they offer that. Then go see Daddy Pawpaw real quick, wear this one, and then get a little funds and then pay the rest off. You hear what I'm saying? Soft life, soft wig. Okay, we're not rocking the hard wigs over here. Look good for some change. You hear me? But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Ashimary Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.